this is my garden. And I figured, what are you looking at? My dog was just trying to get in there. And so now I'm realizing he's probably the one that knocked over my broccoli. That little brat. Anyways, I thought I'd show you guys a look at my garden because I made a video when I first planted everything, but now it's almost October and I've been harvesting a lot of things, so let me show you what it looks like. So the first thing is my giant tomato. It's a Roma tomato, and it's taken off. It's given me like 50 tomatoes already, like big tomatoes, like so much so I don't know what to do with them. I've given them away to people, but it's still got a whole bunch more, so hopefully I can still get a good like month out of it, as long as the squirrels and the birds and the dogs don't destroy everything. I also have my mom's dog and my brother's dog coming to visit in like 2 weeks, a week. So it's about to be really dog heavy here. But anyways, this is my tomato. It's huge. Like, are you gonna be able to see how big this is? It's got so many tomatoes on it. I'll just zoom you in there. Look how pretty. Yeah, I probably will be able to get like a good 20 more tomatoes from there. And then we'll move on over here to the jalapeno area. I have 2 types of jalapenos. Let's see. Oh, here's one. Ah! Yeah, let's see. How many jalapenos do I have? I kind of just wait until they come off easily. So let's see how many we can get. No. Oh, there's 3. Let's see, you see, there's these 2 right here. Oh yeah, they come off real easy. Oh gosh, I'm gonna need a bowl to collect everybody in. Let's see, can I zoom in out? Yeah, some of them aren't ready yet. Oh, that one's ready. And they're actually really spicy. They've got a good kick to them. I've made salsa. I've just eaten some. So, might have to send some home with my parents when they come. Okay, and then this is second jalapeno. Got some developing right here. They're growing. And we got some bigger ones. Let's see. These ones are darker brown. There's a red one. Oh. Oops. So it looks like I got 3 of these ones. So this right here is cayenne. And can you see this little one right here? That's also cayenne. It hasn't grown as good over on this side as it has on the other side. And then, let's see, can you see? This is also cayenne. And that. So clearly over on this side it didn't work as well. And then I have a bell pepper that's coming in. It's supposed to be red, so it's not ready yet. But it's pretty big. It's about the size of my hand, so that's nice. Let me get this cayenne. As long as it's good. Let's get this 2 cayennes off. And there's a bunch more growing. They're just not ready yet. See this guy right there? Cute. Okay. So soon they'll be Okay, so here are my romaines. I forget what type of romaine they are, but they're a certain variety that has like purple on them too. Let's see. That's the best looking one. These I just planted 2-3 weeks ago. This guy is not thriving, but the other three are doing pretty good. So I'd consider that good. Then we have my one corn that survived. All the other 5 died, and there's only one ear growing on it. That's what he looks like. It's doing pretty good. It's cute. It's a small guy, nothing too crazy. And then I also, let's see, here's my ear of corn. So cute. And then I planted some carrot seeds, which are just now starting to sprout. Right there. So that's exciting. Those just got planted like 2 weeks ago as well. And then we have broccoli, which all 4 are doing really well. So hopefully they'll keep going good. And then I can get some yummy broccoli. And then this is my other bell pepper. It's a purple bell pepper. And there's, I believe, 3 growing right now. So hopefully those will just keep doing super good. And I can harvest those soon. Next to it we have my onions. I have red and white. And they're also doing super good too. Okay, here are the onions. I'll give you a little close-up. The white ones and then the red ones. So they're not quite ready yet, but hopefully soon. I could probably do a little bit of weeding. And then we did have a random ornamental corn that just popped up right there, but it's kind of being overtaken by these other 2 cayenne plants, which I'll back up. So that big bush is more cayenne. Yeah, this one just really took off super good. It's kind of clustered over here. I think this is a better growing area because also my watermelon is over here. So this guy took off and just like threw out all sorts of vines everywhere. Like it's literally, it starts over here and it takes off over down there and it goes up here. So I have one watermelon currently growing. It looks like it's almost about to be ready to harvest. There is a spider that loves to make his web right around the watermelon, so that's kind of annoying. But I guess he's protecting it from other bugs being on it. But then here's my watermelon, and then you can see some cayenne growing right there all around him. But yeah, so that's this side. And then over here is my giant zucchini that literally took over this entire garden bed. And I keep getting so many zucchini. Yeah, it's massive. I believe it's just 2 plants that just kind of took off. I think I have a couple zucchinis growing right now and a couple blossoms that are just taking off. So let's see if I could show you. There's one. I'll probably need to pick them in the next couple days, otherwise they'll get too big. And when they get big, they don't taste as good. Their like skin is sharper. So, and then you just have a giant zucchini. So I'll probably have to pick that guy soon. But yeah, this guy's been taken off. And then next to it, we have a failed cucumber. This is my failed cucumber. He just did not survive well at all. I grew some cucumbers, but they all came in yellow. And then now they're just dying. Yeah, the yellow thing, that's a cucumber. So cucumbers were not a win this year, but maybe next year. Lastly, in this bed, I have planted carrots and radishes from seed. And over here, the carrots have not started peeking out yet, but the radishes have. These little guys are going to turn into little radishes, so that's exciting. Hopefully soon the carrots will start popping out over here too. They definitely get more sun than the other area, so that's probably playing a little factor. But I'll keep watering it, and hopefully those will sprout out soon. So that's what's going on in my garden. I have gotten a lot of great stuff from it, so I'm super excited. And hopefully I will continue to be getting good stuff. This is my apricot tree. I think it fruited when it was way too hot out, so it didn't really produce good, viable fruit. Everything was just kind of like too hot, so it got squishy and then rotted. And then my plum tree, actually, I think I got like 20 something plums from it, and I made a little plum tart. And it was really good. But yeah, so anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!